Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Vault using AppRole on a VPS step by step clearly. Start by accessing your virtual private server. Use an SSH client to connect to your VPS securely. Once connected, ensure that you have Vault CLI installed on your system. Check the installation by running the command vault v. Next, set the vault address with the command export vault_addr equals http:// your vault server 82. Replace your vault server with the actual address of your vault server. Now, authenticate to Vault using AppRole. You will need the role ID and secret ID to proceed. Store them as environment variables for convenience. Run the command export vault_role_id equals your role ID to set the role ID. Make sure to replace your role ID with your actual role ID. Next, set your secret ID by running export vault_secret_id equals your secret ID. Replace your secret ID with your actual secret ID. With the role ID and secret ID set, it's time to authenticate. Run the command vault writeauth/approle/login role_id equals $vault_role_id secret_id equals $vault_secret_id. If successful, you will receive a response containing the client's token. Export this token for further interactions by running export vault_token equals your client token. Replace your client token with the token you received from the previous command. You can verify your authentication by running vault token lookup. This command will display details about the authenticated token. At this point, you are ready to access your secrets in Vault. You can retrieve secrets by using the command vault kv get path to secret. Replace path to secret with the path of the secret you want to access. Ensure that all commands are executed without errors to confirm successful authentication. Now, you're fully authenticated to Vault using AppRole on your VPS. You can manage secrets and configurations as needed from this point onward. Always remember to secure your role ID and secret ID. Keep your tokens safe and consider setting practical expiration policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.